Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to activate two WhatsApp account in one WhatsApp app. So guys, you can easily fix this two WhatsApp account. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, you need to open your WhatsApp app. Now tap on right corner three lines. Now tap on settings. Now tap on right corner. Now tap on add account. So guys, agree and continue. So guys, enter your mobile number. Now tap on next. So guys, easily your WhatsApp open two account and tap name and tap on next. So guys, easily one WhatsApp two account login. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comments and share.